In this video, how to create a heart shape in Camtasia. This is especially useful for creating talking head videos. The first and easiest way is use a custom image. Duplicate the image, as we'll use the duplicate to create a border. Apply the media matte effect to the original shape. Now, group the image and video together to create the mask effect. Then, take the duplicated image, place it beneath the group, and make it slightly larger to form a border. Alternatively, you can use Camtasia's built-in shapes to build a heart. The heart shape can be created with 2 circles and a triangle. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.